have decided to make some cupcakes since it's been over a year since I've baked anything. Here I have my A2 milk, my farm fresh eggs, my coconut oil, sliced strawberries, Crisco stick, my cake mix, a sifter, and my nice big shiny mixer. So let's get started. I know it's not necessary to have to sift flour mix, but I was just thinking of my mom and I just wanted to do it. And it just makes it feel lighter and fluffier. Brings back memories. Okay, preheating the oven. For those of you who have never cooked before, you break your eggs in a bowl and then put them in your mix, because if you accidentally get a shell in there, you don't want to ruin your entire mix. I used to love licking the beaters. That was my favorite time when my mom would call me in to the kitchen so I could have the beaters. You have to do things that remind you of good memories. This can get a little messy. You probably can't see it that way. Let's see. Gonna have a little bit of fun with this. I'll put some sprinkles on the pink one. Now, Now this batch is going in. Now I want to play around. Yes, after I put that in, I realized it was way too soupy, but there was nothing I could do but hope for the best. I have nothing else to do. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what this is going to taste like, but why not? It was yummy too. For those new to cooking and baking, it's very important to stir things, so please remember that. I decided to pour the leftover strawberry juice into the frosting to make some strawberry frosting, and it was very yummy, even though it looks questionable. Nice strawberry. Pretty. Well, I thought I was recording getting all of this, but I guess I wasn't. So I just did the chocolate, and now I'm going to add some strawberry. Okay, I did not compensate for the liquid and the strawberries like I should have, but we'll see. If they don't work out, it's not that big of a deal, because I was just playing around. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we learn things. When we mess something up, we learn what not to do next time. Alright, I have my strawberry and vanilla mixed, chocolate, vanilla. These look pretty good. Since this is the ugly one, I'm gonna eat it just to make sure it tastes good. And these, I think I'm actually gonna leave plain, because not everyone likes frosting. So, and I like just eating cake without frosting. And I like eating frosting without cake, so I'm versatile. But, and I'm gonna frost these, I think with cream cheese. And maybe a couple with chocolate. We'll see. But right now, I want to try this bad boy and see how it tastes. All right, here it goes. Oh my gosh, that is so light and fluffy. It's like I'm eating air. That is so good. I did my taste test. Okay. Ooh, put a lot in that one, but that's okay. Everybody likes getting extra. It was really silly of me to not, you know, compensate. but it was a last moment decision, so it's okay. And we'll see.
I'm not gonna lie, these look ugly, but they taste really good.
I have frosted some of them. All right. Well, this is a lot of work, so. I'm not trying to do anything fancy in decorating because 1, I forgot my decorating stuff is packed up, and 2, I've lent out my pans and things, so I don't have anything to put these in. So now I get to buy me some new ones. Any excuse, huh? But the strawberry ones, they turned out really well. Even though they didn't look very good, they are yummy.
I did really good. Not to toot my own horn. This is good.